Change is afoot at Starbase, and it's more profound than ever before. The Texas launch site, a hive of activity for SpaceX's ambitious Starship program, is undergoing a dramatic transformation, one that will redefine its future. This change is not merely cosmetic, it's a fundamental shift driven by the sheer scale of SpaceX's ambitions and the need to innovate continuously. The familiar silhouette of High Bay, the towering structure that birthed the first Starship prototypes, is soon to be a memory, a relic of the past. In its place will rise Giga Bay, a colossal facility designed to accommodate the next generation of Starships, pushing the boundaries of space exploration. This transition marks the dawn of a new era for Starship, one defined by audacious goals, unprecedented engineering challenges, and a vision for the future. The dismantling of High Bay is not a demolition, but a strategic deconstruction, a careful process to make way for the future. It symbolizes SpaceX's relentless pursuit of progress, a testament to their commitment to innovation. It signifies the company's willingness to adapt and evolve, even if it means bidding farewell to a structure deeply intertwined with Starship's early successes and memories. This change, while significant, was inevitable, a necessary step in the evolution of the Starship program. It underscores the exponential growth of the Starship program and its transition from ambitious concept to tangible reality, paving the way for future space endeavors. High Bay stands as a testament to SpaceX's resourcefulness. Constructed with remarkable speed and efficiency, it became the epicenter of Starship's early development. Within its towering walls, engineers and technicians toiled tirelessly, welding together the first stainless steel rings that would form Starship's iconic hull. The air crackled with energy as sparks flew and metal sang, a symphony of construction echoing through the Texas sky. High Bay was more than just a construction site, it was a crucible of innovation. It was here that SpaceX pioneered new manufacturing techniques, pushing the boundaries of what was possible with stainless steel. It was within High Bay's protective embrace that Starship prototypes took their first tentative steps, undergoing critical testing that provided invaluable data and informed design iterations. High Bay witnessed the birth pangs of a revolutionary spacecraft, its steel bones resonating with the dreams of reaching Mars. As Starship matured, so too did its ambitions. The original Starship prototypes, while impressive, were merely stepping stones towards a far grander vision. SpaceX envisioned Starship as a fully reusable spacecraft capable of transporting humans to Mars and beyond. To realize this dream, a new generation of Starships is needed, larger and more capable than their predecessors, and these behemoths require a home that can match their scale. High Bay, for all its merits, simply couldn't keep pace with Starship's rapid evolution. Its confines, once spacious, now felt constricting. The assembly of Starship's massive components, particularly the towering Super Heavy booster, demanded a larger working area. The constraints of High Bay started to limit the pace of development, hindering SpaceX's ability to iterate and innovate as quickly as they desired. A new facility was needed, one designed specifically for the challenges of building a spacecraft of Starship's unprecedented scale. Section 4, Giga Bay, a colossus takes shape. Enter Giga Bay, a facility as bold and ambitious as the spacecraft it's designed to house. This state-of-the-art facility represents the pinnacle of SpaceX's engineering prowess and vision for the future. Dwarfing its predecessor in size, Giga Bay is a testament to SpaceX's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration. The sheer scale of this facility is a visual representation of the company's relentless drive to innovate and excel. Its vast interior, a cathedral of engineering, will soon echo with the sounds of construction as Starship V3, the next iteration of SpaceX's Mars-bound spacecraft, begins to take shape. This monumental effort is a crucial step towards making interplanetary travel a reality. Giga Bay's design prioritizes efficiency and scalability. Every aspect of its construction has been meticulously planned to ensure that it can meet the demands of rapid production and future expansion. Its open layout allows for multiple Starship components to be assembled concurrently, significantly accelerating the production process. This innovative approach ensures that SpaceX can keep up with the ambitious timelines set for their missions. Advanced robotics and automation will play a key role in Giga Bay, further streamlining construction and reducing reliance on manual labor. These technologies are essential for maintaining the high standards of precision and efficiency required for space travel. Giga Bay is not just a bigger building, it's a paradigm shift in spacecraft manufacturing, designed to facilitate the rapid iteration and mass production necessary for SpaceX to achieve its ambitious goals. This facility embodies the future of space exploration, where innovation and efficiency go hand in hand. Section 5. Beyond Giga Bay, expanding the Starship ecosystem. The construction of Giga Bay is just one facet of SpaceX's ongoing expansion at Starbase. A new launch pad, designed specifically for Starship's immense power, is nearing completion. This launch pad features a colossal flame trench system capable of channeling the searing exhaust of Super Heavy's Raptor engines during liftoff. Further down the Texas coast, SpaceX is developing a dedicated Starship production facility. This facility will focus on the mass production of Starship components, leveraging advanced manufacturing techniques to streamline the supply chain and accelerate overall production rates. This strategic expansion reflects SpaceX's long-term vision for Starship, transforming it from a single spacecraft into a fully realized transportation system. Section 6. Starship V3, a leap towards orbit and beyond. As Giga Bay prepares to welcome its first tenant, Starship V3 represents a significant evolution from its predecessors. Drawing upon lessons learned from previous prototypes, Starship V3 incorporates numerous refinements and improvements. Its design emphasizes reusability, with enhanced heat shielding and a more robust thermal protection system designed to withstand the rigors of multiple atmospheric entries. Starship V3 is not just about incremental upgrades, it's about testing and validating key technologies crucial for orbital flight and beyond. The next generation of Raptor engines, more powerful and efficient, will power Starship V3 on its journey to orbit. Advanced life support systems, designed for long-duration missions, will be rigorously tested, paving the way for future crewed missions to the Moon and Mars. Section 7. The legacy of High Bay and the future of Starship. The dismantling of High Bay, while bittersweet, marks a pivotal moment in Starship's journey. This iconic structure has been a cornerstone of SpaceX's ambitious projects, and its deconstruction is a testament to the relentless march of progress. It signifies the end of an era, but more importantly, the beginning of a new chapter, one filled with even greater promise and ambition. The sunset over the construction site symbolizes the dawn of new possibilities and the relentless pursuit of innovation. High Bay's legacy will live on, not just in the memories of those who worked within its walls, but in the very DNA of Starship itself. Every bolt and panel of Starship carries the spirit of High Bay, a tribute to the countless hours of dedication and ingenuity. The future of Starship is inextricably linked to Giga Bay. This state-of-the-art facility represents the next leap forward, a beacon of technological advancement and human aspiration. It is here that SpaceX's vision will truly take flight, as Starship V3 and its successors take shape. The meticulous construction process at Giga Bay is a testament to SpaceX's commitment to excellence and innovation. The road ahead is challenging, fraught with technical hurdles and unforeseen obstacles. Each challenge, however, is an opportunity for growth and learning, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. But SpaceX has repeatedly demonstrated its ability to defy expectations and achieve the seemingly impossible. The celebrations of the team are a reflection of their hard work, resilience, and unwavering belief in their mission. With Giga Bay now online, the stage is set for Starship to make its mark on history, ushering in a new era of space exploration and expanding humanity's reach to the stars. The future is bright and the possibilities are endless as we stand on the brink of a new frontier.